In this video I'm going to show you how to clear app data on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the very first way to delete all your app data is basically to delete the whole app. To delete the app, tap and hold on the app icon, select remove app, then delete app, and confirm the deleting action by tapping on the delete to delete that specific app. And when you delete that app, you delete all these apps data. But you can also use the special feature in the application to clear some specific data of the app. I'll show you on the Snapchat how it works. So I opened up Snapchat, go to my profile, tap here on gear icon and scroll all the way down until I find account actions, and here you see that I can clear cache, I can clear conversation, I can clear search history, scan history, voice scan history, and so on. Bunch of different things I can clear from here. So that's basically a Snapchat feature, and not every app gives you the same ability to clear cache, for example, from app. So that's basically a Snapchat feature, and not every app gives you ability to clear cache, for example, from the app's settings. So guys, that's how it works. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe.